Hi, it's Oliver. Today I'd like to show you how you can, for instance, color code um, the working processes or the work in progress of a particular group, for instance, in the company. So let's say these are the names of the people in your company and these are the tasks they're supposed to complete or do over over the week, I mean, from Monday to Friday. And you like to create a kind of status, record here. So first of all, let's start from here. You can just drag and select these places where you like to have the drop down, where it could be selected whether the work has started or it's still in progress or it's being completed. So after you select this, you go onto data here. Depending on the version of Excel you're using or the year of the version of year of Microsoft Office you're using, you can find the buttons at different places. So I can find the data validation from here. So you select the data validation, then what do? You want to have a drop-down list. So you go to list. Now what do you want to do with the list? You want to have a status like not started, just like this, maybe not started. Then, in my case, I have to use a comma. In my case, I have to use a semicolon to separate them. In your case, if you have to use just a comma, it's fine. Depends on the version of Excel you're using, as I said. So, work in progress, not started. Then I go to work in progress, WIP. Then I have to use the semicolon again. Then I go to completed. Yes, so after these, it's all done. Now, you just have to press OK and you're fine. So you can see that we have here, if the status is completed, then work in progress, or if it's also not started, you can see that it applies to almost all the cells. Now let's go on to color code it. Of course, as you rightly know, to color code you have to go on to the home button, then you have to use a conditional formatting. So you go to conditional formatting, then you define a new rule. What do we want to do? We want to only format cells that contain what? So the cell value then between what? Well, we would rather want to say equal to. If the cell is equal to, for instance here, we put not started, like this. Then what format do we want to give to not started, or what color code do we want to give to not started? So we go to the color code. Then from there, what do we want to do? So what is the field? The field is supposed to be, well, I just want to put purple there to show that it's not started, or maybe red, as you like it, but I would just want to go with purple. Then you do OK. Then once again, OK. So that will become the format for that. Now, remember, you've got three options on the drop-down list. So after not started, you have to go to work in progress. So the same process. You go to format it again. Then you go to define new rule. The same process again. The format must contain what. Then also should be equal to what. In this case, we go to WIP, or work in progress. Then what color do we want to give work in progress? Maybe we could put yellow, something like that. Just means, maybe getting ready, or maybe gold, as you prefer. Then like that. Then also you click on OK. Then the final one, the same way, through the same process. Then new rule, you go to what, the cells that contain what, then equal to what. Once again, you just put completed. Then what color code should we give to completed? Maybe let's give green, which means like it's ready to go. So we put green there, then we click on OK, the same way. Now, you have it. When you go here and you select not started, you can see it's purple. Let's say Tuesday, we go to summer school. Then what do we want to say? He says it's still in progress, it's not completed. We go to Friday, if the work is completed, maybe we put green there. The same thing. So This is how you go about it. It's quite simple, and I guess this could help. For instance, you want to make a very simple register for workers, in a bit of the old way. You could go about it the same way, or you want to just define the status of something, whether an email has been sent or not, or whether, for instance, a SOMI has been posted or not. You could just use the same scheme. Thanks for watching. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. Thanks. Watch my next video.